Since 2002, Yacht has been redefining innovation in outdoor power equipment and power tools, growing from one plant to a world-class manufacturing network. Our expertise is built into every product we make. We've built a fully independent manufacturing ecosystem, spanning electronics, motors, plastic injection, and laser precision technologies. We proudly lead as the #1 electric chainsaw manufacturer and the creator of the world's first lithium-ion snowblower. Innovation is at the heart of Yacht. With 283 engineers and 926 patents, we invest over 5% of our annual revenue into R&D, driving breakthroughs from concept to performance testing. We lead the evolution of next-generation tools. Quality starts with design and is reinforced through rigorous testing, in-house manufacturing, and professional quality control. Our in-house motors and electronics, independent quality control, and rigorous supplier audits ensure complete control of core components. Powered by CNOS certified labs, every tool is proven before it leaves the factory. 100% functional inspection, lifetime acceleration testing, and real-world environment simulation. With 4 world-class factories across Jiaxing, Ningbo, Thailand, and Mexico, our 3,000 professionals drive a truly global manufacturing network. Jiaxing anchors China, Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Thailand connects Europe and Southeast Asia. Mexico leads supply across the Americas, shaping a global manufacturing reach. Across 195 production lines, our automated manufacturing delivers efficiency, consistent quality, and flexibility to meet world-class standards. Our digital warehousing system provides precise control and seamless supply, supporting local sales and production. AGV material handling and WMS barcode systems enable agile, end-to-end flow, delivering efficiency at every step. From R&D to delivery, we connect every step through one intelligent, sustainable manufacturing ecosystem. Our global supply chain blends local advantages with worldwide reliability. COO certified, USMCA compliant, and supported by dual sourcing across China and local markets, ensuring stability and uninterrupted delivery worldwide. Beyond manufacturing, we build a complete product ecosystem. From smart tools to connected experiences, Senix delivers innovation that speaks to the new generation of global users. Branding, retail, and after-sales into one connected ecosystem, empowering distributors with proven marketing playbooks, digital systems, and retail operations support. From concept to consumer, we create value at every stage. Beyond products, we build trust through a global after-sales network. With over 200 service centers across Russia, North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia, customers receive reliable local support, from technical service to spare parts delivery. With call centers in China and Mexico, we deliver real-time technical support. Our 3 spare parts hubs in China, the US, and Thailand ensure fast and reliable supply, ensuring every tool keeps performing at its best. We power growth across 6 continents. Our products are available through world-leading retailers. Leveraging the ever-expanding Senix retail network, we closely link our manufacturing advantages with market performance. From global manufacturing to everyday creation, Our tools empower millions of hands worldwide. Every spark, every motion, every cut reflects our relentless pursuit of quality and innovation.